Performance standard for ICDIS. Operational and functional requirements. Color and symbol display requirements. Introduction. ICDIS, Electronic Chart Display and Information System. IMO sets performance standard for safe navigation. Focus today. Color and symbol display requirements. 1. Color and symbol. Standardized by International Hydrographic Organization or IHO. Same meaning across all ICDIS brands. Land, yellow. Shallow water, blue. Safe water is white. Buoy, lights, and beacons follow IHO's chart symbol. Ensures consistency and prevent misinterpretation. 2. Display requirements. Clear, legible display with day-night mode, scalable zoom, and adjustable brightness. Overlay capability, radar, AIS, route planning. Safe info, position, speed, course, safety depth, always visible. Display modes, standard, full, user customized. Summary, color and symbol, universal and standardized. So the color is and symbols are standard for all a vessel or in universal standard. Display requirements, clear, reliable, and adaptable. Together, they ensure ICDIS supports safe navigation worldwide. That's all, and thank you.